can't even diss my cup, it's just gon' keep me on my feelings. Every time I taste a cup, it's just gon' make me feel some different. Gotta keep my cup with me, it make me feel so missing. Cause her up in me and shit, we always reminiscing. Cause her up in me and shit, it's keeping my attention. Cause her up in me and shit, I'm always there to sippin'. I'm always there to sippin'. Sippin' on that drink, need 2 styrofoams. Shit getting real sticky, I'ma add another. I add a new ranch and now my shit is bubble. She say what's the color, like this color, purple pink. I just sip my cup too fast and water down. Some of my niggas like to go and pour it out. Only get crushed ice when I'm going out. And my bitch fresh dogs with a hairstyle. Cause her up in me and shit, we always reminiscing. Cause her up in me and shit is keeping my attention. Cause her up in me and shit, I'm always there to sippin'. Yeah, I'm always there to sippin'. Oh, rock out just like she Haley Williams. I don't know the top speed, but it's past 220. Uncle said, I don't think nobody fucking with you. Had to take a step back, see that they fucking with me. Ballin' with these baggies, it's like I'm on my pivot. When we got them drugs, do you wanna get it? You can't see what I be sippin' on this shit prescription. If you want this shit right here, it's gon' cost a ticket.